Hello children, how are you all? Are you excited for art class? Today I am going to teach you texture technique on the paper which we can use in different purpose for craft making, then gift wrapping like that. So here is the first technique that we will do. So children, this is the paper that I have taken, and then this is the empty roll of thread that I am using for texture. We will dip in the color and we'll make the circle like that. You can use single color also and multiple color circle also you can make. It's not necessary it's a perfect place. You can color anywhere, wherever you want. This is the orange color I have taken. Now blue color I took. And again circle on empty place. So you will get the texture on the paper. It's not necessary that empty roll. You can use the instead of roll cap, bottle cap or anything circle, any circle thing. After blue color, taking green color for texture. This paper you can use for gift wrapping, card making and craft work also. See, this completed almost. Now you can see. Here is the second technique that we will learn here. I am pouring water on the paper and spreading with my hand, and then with the help of brush we will put color on the paper. With the help of brush, take color in the brush and spread color on the paper with very light hand. Don't rub brush on paper. Very slowly, very light you have to do the color. Then this is the salt that I am using. Pinch of salt you have to take and sprinkle on the paper so that you will get the texture. With this texture you can color aquarium picture also. With this picture you can color aquarium picture. We'll keep inside to dry. Now here I am going to teach you third technique. This is tea without sugar, milk and only tea powder, water. And pour on the paper and spreading with the spoon only. With the help of this technique, we can make the paper old paper like for this technique, down surface has to be wooden. Don't do work on the glass surface. Because after this, we'll use the scale, edge of the scale. Look here, this is the edge of the scale and we will tap the scale on paper in any direction. Wherever you want, you can tap on the paper so that you will get the mark. With this technique you will get old paper. On this paper we can write something message and we can give it to others, like cards also we can make. Now I am going to teach you fourth technique. Same previously I taught you in second techniques I taught you that we will pour the water on the paper and we will spray it. Same techniques we will use here in also in fourth number, and we will spread with our hand. And take color with the help of brush and spread on the paper. Not necessary take single color, you can use multiple color also for this texture technique. This is the green and yellow color I have to. Now we'll lift our paper and spread. This is the blue color. And this red color. We'll lift the paper after this and we'll turn paper in all directions so that color will spread in everywhere. Extra water we can pour in the bowl. Now I am going to teach you fifth technique. In fifth technique, we will sprinkle color with the help of brush on the paper. Single color or multiple color, your wish. Green color, red color already done. Now green color, finish. Now blue color. Yellow color. We'll sprinkle on the paper. This is blue color. So this is the fifth texture technique on paper that we completed almost. So did you like, children? Thank you everyone.